Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video, we will learn how to hide status bar on Windows 11. So simple method, just click on start, open File Explorer. So find out. Now here these three dots, options, view, and guys you will see this setting, show status bar. So to disable and turn off, uncheck this box, then click on apply, then OK. Now guys close and restart. So this is the way guys you can hide and disable status bar on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.